How to make Canva website private. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Generally speaking, if you actually publish your Canva website and you put it out there, it's actually going to be public, and anybody who has the link is going to be able to just open it up, and it's going to be pretty much, like I said, public. Now you can actually go ahead and make it private in a specific method, and it's going to be pretty much whoever has access to a specific password will be able to open up your site. Otherwise, they're not going to enter into your site. So let's just go ahead and get to it and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So first, you'll need to either open up your website or create one. It doesn't really make a difference. I'm just going to open up this sample one that I have, which I know it doesn't really look proper, but yeah, it's just a sample one that I have. And if we just go to publish website, for example, on the top right, and open up our link without having to do anything, is going to be like this. So whoever just enters the link, I'm just going to copy it. So whoever just enters the URL is just going to open up the site for them, and it's going to look like that. Now, if you want to actually make it private, what you need to do is just go ahead and open up your site. And again, you just need to pretty much finish your editing, finalize the entire site. And then just go to publish website on the top right. And then from here, once this is actually open, we want to go to publish settings here at the bottom. So you can actually see publish settings. Go ahead and click on that. And once this opens up, you obviously have, more information about your site if you want to add a description and all these things, but we don't want any of that. We just want to click on advanced settings. And if you click on that, it's also going to give you more options to choose from. From here, you can actually see the first one here is password protection is disabled. Protect your website with a password. So just go ahead and enable that. And once you actually do so, this is going to generate a password for you, which you can feel free to keep or change. You can also just feel free to change it. We can just go ahead and actually do that right now. Let's just make it a very simple one. Let me just copy this instead. So I just copied this password and I'm just going to use it. And now the last step here is just click on republish website. And once you do that, it's going to pretty much now, be republished, but with a password. Now, another method is to completely unpublish your website. That also is going to actually work. So we can actually do that as well. But this method is going to be better, to be honest, because you don't have to, publish and unpublish, keep doing that. So let's just go and open up our site, which should be here. And if we do that, this time it's actually going to ask us to enter the password to view. It's not going to allow us to just enter our website right away. And if we do that, oh, this is not the right one. Let's just go and grab the password and check that I'm not a robot and click on continue. It's just going to take us in there. And obviously, like I said, you can feel free to change or completely remove the password from the same settings. So you can just go back here, go to publish website, publish settings, and then we just go to advanced settings, and we can just feel free to either reset the password or just turn it off completely. And this is pretty much all we need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.